Before fashion embraced one-piece garments. Before astronauts explored space. Before mechanics and pilots relied on specialized uniforms. There was the jumpsuit. Practical, protective, adaptable. It was never created for the runway. It was built for demanding work. Its story begins in the early 20th century. As aviation entered a new era, pilots and parachutists needed clothing that could move with the body while protecting against wind, cold, and mechanical hazards. One-piece garments eliminated gaps between shirts and trousers, providing better insulation, greater freedom of movement, and fewer opportunities for loose fabric to become caught in machinery. The name itself reflects these origins. Early jumpsuits were developed for parachute jumpers. Over time, the design spread far beyond aviation. Factory workers, mechanics, engineers, racing drivers, firefighters, and astronauts all adopted specialized versions suited to their professions. The science behind the jumpsuit begins with integration. Unlike separate garments, a one-piece construction distributes tension evenly across the body. It reduces shifting during movement, maintains consistent coverage, and improves protection in physically demanding environments. Materials vary according to purpose. Traditional workwear often uses durable cotton twill. Industrial versions may incorporate flame-resistant aramid fibers. Stretch fabrics enhance mobility. Moisture-wicking textiles improve comfort, while modern recycled fibers support more sustainable manufacturing. Construction emphasizes durability. Reinforced seams strengthen areas under constant stress. Heavy-duty zippers allow quick dressing. Elastic waist panels improve flexibility. Multiple utility pockets organize essential tools. Double-layered knees and elbows extend garment life. Every component reflects practical engineering. By the mid-20th century, the jumpsuit entered popular culture. Fashion designers recognized its clean silhouette. Hollywood embraced its dramatic appearance. Musicians transformed it into an unforgettable stage costume. During the 1960s and 1970s, bold colors, wide collars, metallic fabrics, and futuristic styling made the jumpsuit a symbol of modern optimism. Even space exploration influenced its design. Astronaut flight suits inspired generations of fashion collections, blending utility with imagination. Today, the jumpsuit exists in countless forms. Industrial coveralls, luxury evening wear, medical uniforms, racing suits, flight suits, protective equipment, and everyday casual fashion. Modern manufacturing continues improving its performance. Computer-assisted pattern cutting reduces waste. Ergonomic design enhances movement. Advanced textiles increase durability while lowering weight. Sustainable fibers reduce environmental impact without sacrificing strength. Today, the jumpsuit remains one of the most versatile garments ever created. It proves that function and style are not opposites. They can evolve together. Its history reminds us that some of the world's most influential designs begin with solving practical problems. Because true innovation often starts, not with fashion, but with necessity.